Hi, welcome back. Today we are at a newly launched project by TVS Emerald. Welcome to TVS Emerald Altura. This project is spread across 10 acres with 12 elegant towers and 975 premium residences. As you enter, you can see it comes with a digital door lock, and this is your spacious living room. This 2123 square feet 3 BHK comes with marble finish vitrified tiles. This place is perfect to host your guests. You can enjoy both from quiet evenings to lively gatherings in here. This is your dining area, which can easily accommodate 6 people, and right beside the dining area connects to the balcony. You can enjoy your meals with a beautiful view and fresh air. The kitchen is modern, efficient and thoughtfully planned and comes with a lot of amount of storage, and it also has a dedicated utility area for your conveniences. And right opposite to the living area, this is your vanity area, comes with attached washroom. And this is your third bedroom. You can easily turn it into a guest bedroom. It has huge windows for light and ventilation. Now let me show you the master bedroom. It comes with attached washroom, and as you can see that it can easily fit a king size bed, and after fitting a king size bed and a wardrobe, there is so much space to walk in and breathe. And it also comes with attached balcony. And now this is the second bedroom, comes with attached washroom, and you can easily turn this room into a kids room or your workspace. And this is the maid's room. It has a separate entrance and comes with attached washroom. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Instagram.